We are headed to Sydney, Australia.
You guys, after like 3 years, we're doing our honeymoon over. Version 16.3.
We're here at LAX. And they're getting ready to board us in just a few minutes. 15+ hour flight, going to be a lengthy one. Well, that was quick.
Well, we made it. It was rough.
And here we are again, driving on the left-hand side of the road. No thanks to you, England. But we were able to book a room at the Pier 1 Sydney Harbour Hotel because of the proximity to the bridge. And just look at this ridiculous view from our room. One of the places we were really excited to check out this time around was Bondi Beach, which we did not get a chance to see in March of 2020. However, we visited on a not-so-weather-friendly day. It was pretty gnarly out there.
Here's me at Bondi Beach. Here's everybody else. Tell me who's crazy here. It is absolutely freezing and super windy. I give credit to these Aussies. They're not wimps.
After checking out Bondi Beach, we headed up the coast a few minutes to the Gap Bluff Lookout. So we knew from previous research that climbing to the top of the Harbor Bridge was an option, but we couldn't quite muster up the courage to do it. So we decided instead to check out the pylon lookout at the south side of the bridge. But the views are still pretty awesome. We also walked across the bridge for the first time this trip to North Sydney and the lovely neighborhood of Kirribilli.
Now having longer than an overnight stay in Sydney, we wanted to experience more than just the urban city center. We booked a hotel for our first night in the residential neighborhood of Potts Point. We enjoyed catching the young, local happy hour vibe as we settled into a hole-in-the-wall dumpling restaurant and ordered up a feast. A short walk after dinner landed us in another neighborhood of Paddington, clearly a desirable place to live, with its giant jacaranda trees in bloom and a unique sunken garden which had an art exhibit on display.
We definitely haven't been to a lot of the world's most iconic cities, but Sydney has to be one of the most beautiful. Everywhere you look is just stunning. It won't be soon enough the next time we get a chance to come visit here, and we highly recommend it to anybody. Coming up in our next video, we check out the Blue Mountains National Park and the beautiful nature surrounding Sydney.